In this video, I'll show you how to easily hide the number of likes on your Facebook posts. So let's get into it. Let's navigate to the Facebook app and tap to open it. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your profile page. And then open your profile. Scroll down the profile page and let's take a look at the likes on a post. Tap on the post likes that you to examine, and then tap on the small arrow at the top. This will reveal a list of all the people who have reacted to this post, including those who simply liked it, left a heart reaction, or used an emoji. Currently, these likes are visible to any Facebook user. To hide the number of reactions and likes, let's go to the Facebook menu. From there, you can access settings by either tapping on the gear icon or scrolling down and selecting Settings and Privacy. And then open Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for Reaction Preferences under the News Feed section and tap on it. Here you will see two options: on posts from others and on your posts. To hide the likes on other people's posts, toggle the On Posts from Others switch on. This means you won't see the number of likes or reactions on any posts you see on your news feed. But if you want to hide the likes on your own posts, toggle the On Your Posts switch on. This means that nobody will see the number of likes or reactions on any posts you create, including pictures, photos, and videos. Congratulations! You've successfully hidden the number of likes on your Facebook posts. This can be a helpful way to manage your social media experience and focus on the things that matter most to you. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.